I'm Ellie, this is my cat Wes Anderson, and we're on my back porch, so that means that you are watching an Eco-Ed with Ellie. So as I said, my name is Ellie Johnson and I'm a graduate student at Clemson University in Clemson, South Carolina. A lot of my research involves helping with a longleaf pine restoration project over in Camden, South Carolina, in conjunction with the historic Camden Foundation. So, a lot of my work takes place outside where I'm counting and identifying and measuring a whole lot of plants. Besides all this vegetation work, I've also done a lot of environmental education, which I love to do. I have worked in Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Arizona, and Maine at very unique positions that were wonderful opportunities for me to connect with others and to figure out my teaching style. Obviously, I am not the only educator that's trying to learn to teach through this medium. So what I'm trying to do is provide some extra materials for public school teachers in middle schools, particularly the ones in South Carolina, to get students connected to the outside world around them. Trying to learn through a pandemic is hard, I know, because I'm a student too. So the point of all these lessons and videos and activities is to get people outside and connected with the world around them, to teach them about an ecosystem that they might not otherwise be able to visit or learn about, and to show different actions that you can take to lessen your impact on the planet. Longleaf pine savannas are really cool ecosystems that are noted for their three major characteristics. Obviously, there's a lot of longleaf pine that make up the overstory. They are maintained by naturally occurring fire disturbances, and they have a really diverse and awesome understory of lots of different plants that help support a wide variety of animals. They used to exist from southern Virginia all the way over to eastern Texas, but due to different land use changes from people building towns and converting land to agriculture, they do not exist as much as they once did. In fact, it is estimated that their current range is about 3% of what their range used to be. So, because of this, there are a lot of endangered plants and animals that are trying to hold on to those remnants of longleaf pine. That's why the restoration project that I'm involved with is so important, but also it's important for other people to learn about this ecosystem and think it's as cool as I do.
Don't be sad like Wes. Let's get outside and do some exploring together. See you around.